Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just tap my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, with the simple touch on the power key button, I'm not pressing it, I just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.